Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Explained. I am Advait and right now we are going to perform read-write operations on a CSV file. First of all, we are going to perform write operation because we can't read what we haven't written. So I have already created a dummy data frame with x and y variables. Very easy and basic data set, no need to overcomplicate that. Okay, so in order to write that, we are going to use inbuilt functions which is called as write.csv. Write.csv, I am just going to show you one thing. Okay, just a second. Yeah, so here write.csv is used for comma separated files, and in this comma we mean this comma, and write.csv2 this is used for semi comma separated files. Just something important that you should know. Okay, so we can just start with the write.csv directly. Here if I press F1, we can see all of the arguments expected here, and we are just going to give the ones those are necessary. So in X, we are going to pass in our data frame. File name is equal to, we'll say test.csv, simple name, easy. Append, we already have no content, so we just need to give that parameter. Separator, yeah, sep, we can give that parameter again, but that's not necessary. And row dot names equals true equals, well, we don't have any row dot names, so we just set that to false. It doesn't matter because you don't have any row names. Call dot names, we can set that to true because we do have call names, so we can set that and just hit enter. And yeah, sep is ignored and call dot names is ignored again. Why? Because already these are going to be written in the file, and if you can see over here in files, test.csv is created, and we can just hit view file and boom, it is already done. Easy as that. And now we can perform read.file operation. Read csv. This is even more easier, and we have again read.csv, csv2. You know what the difference is between these two, so I'm not going to explain that again. So here we have the file name first, test.csv. The next is separator. We already know what the separator is, it might be ignored again. And the next is what was the next argument? Header equals false because there is no header. And then we have strings as factors, equals false again, and we have to strip.white equals true. Header equals false. In our file there is no header, hence we are using header equals false. The next is strings as factors. We don't want to import the strings as factors. We don't have any strings in the first place, but if we don't want to import them as factors. And strip.white, it strips away all the white spaces. I can just go in there and hit enter, and as you can see, v1 v2 are the two created, and you have to just store this in data, and yeah, and just print data type of data. Here you can see it is all stored in list. Okay, so right now you saw how to read and write data from a CSV file. Thank you so much for watching. See you again. Farewell.